In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Algeria with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown near the top of the app or website. Tap or click on that country, then choose Algeria from the list. This step is important because it makes sure your transfer is set up correctly for the country where the money will be received. After selecting Algeria, click Send Money to begin the transfer process. Remitly will then guide you to the recipient section. If the person you want to send money to is already saved in your contacts, you can simply select their name and continue. This can save time and helps avoid entering the same information again. If the recipient is not already saved, click New Contact. Then select their country and begin entering the requested recipient information. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate. Even a small mistake in recipient details can sometimes delay the transfer, so it's always a good idea to double-check what you enter before moving on. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to any fees, exchange rates, or delivery estimates shown on the screen. This helps you understand exactly how much will be sent and what the recipient can expect to receive. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. The available options may vary depending on the destination and the way the recipient will receive the funds. Choose the option that works best for your situation, then move on to the payment method. Remitly may offer different ways to pay, such as a bank account, debit card, or other available methods, depending on your location. After choosing your payment method, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details if required for the delivery option you selected. Carefully fill in the information exactly as requested. Then follow the prompts shown on your screen to review and confirm the transfer. Before submitting, take a moment to review all the details one last time, including the recipient, amount, delivery method, and payment method. When everything looks correct, complete the transaction by following the final on-screen instructions. And that's it. That's how to send money to Algeria with Remitly in a simple and secure way.